Welcome here. My name is Patricia Regier. I am going to answer a question in one of the comments of my videos. Someone was asking about super chats. They see it either in a live or in the comments of videos that they go to how-to tutorials, and it's a way to say thank you to your favorite YouTuber, favorite how-to tutorial channel. Whether you are watching for entertainment or to answer a question and solve your problem, people that create the videos have spent the time to research, find the solution and answer, record, edit, and share it at no cost to you. And in addition to giving a thank you in the comment, a like, a sharing, subscribing, this is another way that you can buy someone a coffee as a way to say thank you for their time. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm here. We are definitely going to reach 1 million views this year. So that's super exciting. So I'm going to the most popular video at this point is how to upload your video to YouTube. And I'm going to click on that. Another way to be thanking the person that you're watching a video is to watch the ads ahead of time and just sit through that amount of time instead of skipping. So you can watch through, and then it often sometimes doesn't take very long. So for this video, it's playing, but it's down here. Now you might, I'll just pause the video. Under the video, you have the opportunity to like it, you can share it, you can add a comment when you scroll down, and add a comment. So I'm just showing you that. I won't comment on my own right now. And sometimes you won't see this heart with the dollar sign that says thanks. You sometimes might find that if you go to the 3 dots. But I can select thanks on someone else's video. And what pops up is thank, and I'm just showing my own right now. But so it can be $2. If you move this symbol at the bottom, you can increase that amount if you want. And so it's up to you. And then when you do that, you're buying and sending. Now, I already have my credit card into YouTube because I have a subscription. So you might need to take some other steps, but then when I select buy and send, it will bring you to your credit card or giving you the opportunity to enter your credit card information. Then you just select buy. And this fun celebration pops up, which is wonderful. And then what will happen is I will get, as the person sending the money, then you will get an email with your receipt. And then the person that you're thanking will get notification as well that someone has given a super chat, little monetary amount of money that will, that was just my email coming through. And then that person can thank you for the thank you as well. That is how you give a super chat amount of thanks. When it's a live stream, it's a little bit different. It's in the chat that you can then go through the process. But this is the process. In addition to giving a like or thumbs up to a video, you can give that little bit of an amount, buy someone a coffee or tea as a way to say thank you for saving me the time. So thanks for checking this video out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I would love to hear what other videos and questions you would like answered and videos or tutorials created for you here on this channel. Thanks again. My name is Patricia Regier.